Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an actuator. First, identify which actuator needs replacing in your vehicle. Next, gather all your essential tools, including various screwdrivers, wrenches, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's battery before starting any work. This prevents electrical shorts and ensures a safe working environment throughout the entire replacement process. Taking these initial steps correctly will make the rest of the job much smoother. Once prepared, you'll need to access the actuator. This usually involves carefully removing interior panels, such as parts of the dashboard or a door panel. Always consult your vehicle's service manual for specific instructions on panel removal to avoid damage. These manuals provide detailed diagrams and steps tailored to your car's model. After the panels are off, locate the faulty actuator, which is typically secured by screws and connected by an electrical harness. Be gentle to prevent breaking any clips. With the actuator exposed, the next step is removal. Disconnect the electrical connector by gently pressing the release tab and pulling it free. Then, remove any mounting screws holding the old actuator in place. Carefully pull out the old part, paying close attention to its orientation and how it fits. This will help you correctly position the new actuator. Now, install the new actuator, ensuring all screws are tightened securely and the electrical connector is firmly reattached. Double-check everything for a snug fit. Before fully reassembling, reconnect your vehicle's battery and test the new actuator to ensure it's working correctly. Operate the relevant controls, like the climate system or door locks, to confirm proper function. Once confirmed, carefully reinstall all the removed panels and components, making sure every clip and screw is back in its original place for a secure and professional finish. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, as well as other great deals. Taking your time with reassembly ensures everything looks and functions as it should.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.